Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Nasrin Padasari. In this today's video, we are going to see my GATE exam journey friends. So in this video, I will be sharing you what is my GATE scorecard and whether I got all India rank or just a pass, I got a pass mark, and what is total number of attempts I took for clearing my GATE examination and total number of days I prepared for this particular GATE examination. So let's get into the video. So this is my scorecard friends. So I appeared for GATE 2020 examination, and this exam, that is I had attempted GATE 2019 exam in the subject life sciences. So I didn't clear GATE exam in 2019 since I didn't put any kind of effort, and in my second attempt I had cleared my GATE examination in the exam paper biotechnology. Next, I got 29 marks out of 100 and my All India rank is 1879 and my GATE score is 325. Yes friends, it is not that much good mark, even I didn't get All India rank friends. But I had qualified with just pass kind of thing, like qualifying mark for my category is 27.6 and I got a mark out of 29. So you should know I didn't prepare this GATE exam just to get All India rank or any other thing. I just attempted this GATE exam, just I need to pass. I didn't fix in my mind like I need to get All India rank, just like thing. So my message for the upcoming GATE aspirants are that aim for All India rank. At only then you can score at least 40 mark out of 100 in the biotechnology paper. If you aimed I just want to pass the examination, then ultimately you can't able to pass even this qualifying mark friends. And also days of preparation, since I was preparing for CSIR examination friends. So after my CSIR December 2019 exam, I started my preparation for this GATE exam. So CSIR 2019 December 15 the exam was completed, and from December 16 to February month I prepared exclusively for this particular GATE exam alone. So maybe I'll share the preparation strategy in my next video. So this video is a kind of motivational kind of video. So many will be planning to appear for the GATE examination, or many will be lose to your GATE score this time. So for you, I am sharing you, this is my scorecard and I didn't get any kind of All India rank or any other thing I had been get. So the next thing is that a message learned from my particular journey to this GATE is that first you need to motivate yourself friends. Only then you can able to achieve something in your life. If you don't have any motivation, then you don't have any direction of your life friends. And even though many people like me are giving your motivations lessons like you, it is you have to decide and always keep an aim in you, or accept the negative things, negative thoughts that many people will post on you. Okay, so you have to fix in your mind, at least for her or at least for him, I need to succeed this GATE examination or whatever the examination. So always energy plays an intensify your thoughts and motivational thing. Okay, so I too got motivation because one of my seniors, she cleared GATE examination. So at that time I don't know what is GATE examination. Then I researched many and I appear for GATE examination and I can't clear. So many thought that I failed, like that they keep on saying and they will speak at my back. So that keeps me motivated. That's a reason I had been cleared this GATE exam. Next thing is that if you are planning to achieve more success, then you should put your work. You should work hard. Even though nowadays many people are doing smart work kind of thing. Smart work will work in some circumstances, but your hard work will pay either today or it will pay in your future friends. So generally work hard. You no need to work day and night. You just start your preparation by 9 o'clock and you end your preparation by evening 6 o'clock. So GATE kind of examination does not need much hard work, but if you are aiming just what I said, All India rank, you should prepare 9 to 9 cycle friends. Okay. So the next thing is that just don't say I can't clear this examination. Yeah, I hope the people who watching this video, either you will lose gate, you had lose gate this year, or this will be your third attempt or fourth attempt, whatever be. Up to a particular age, you can write the exam. If you think about the exam fees and everything, you can't able to concentrate on your study. So you just think in my gate 2022, I'll definitely clear the exam gate 22. So now you know what are the negative or what mistake you have done in the gate 2021 preparation, friends. So keep that in your mind and devise a preparation strategy for you, and think wisely and move. You don't need to get many resources or many things you want to do. Just think wisely, and definitely you too can crack gate examinations. And also don't fear to go for any kind of thing in your life. Always take riskful steps in your life. You might be a topper in your class, or you might be a just pass kind of thing in your MSc or BTech thing, but gate exam is just an average people can be able to clear the gate examination. So preparing gate need only 2 months of preparation, friends. So if you are very much serious about your preparation, you too can crack. And regarding this coaching kind of thing, I didn't go for any kind of coaching, friends. Even I didn't watch YouTube videos at that time. I just depend myself for coaching and every kind of thing. So if you can't able to fix yourself to prepare any kind of preparation, at least go coaching. So for coaching and all, they are charging very much, so you will pay for them at for paying itself you can stay different. So your mind will automatically fix, okay, I had paid very much for this particular gate examination, so I should clear this time. So you will get motivated and you will definitely clear, friends. So, and also the last and important point is that never lose hope. So this is a very important exam, yes, of course, but this is not a only one exam to clear and to build your future. There are many other exams also, friends. So always keep in mind and never lose your hope. So everything happens for the reason, friends. First point moral of this particular video is that first create a motivational thought, have an inspirational story, get to collect an inspirational story from toppers who clear the gate, and devise your particular strategy. And if you wrote your gate 2021 examination and if you lose this particular examination, then find out the reason where you are lacking. Okay, so think wisely and prepare first of all timetable and go according to the timetable. So as I mentioned earlier, 2 months of dedicated preparation is enough, friends. So if you are preparing for gate 2022 examination, then you can start your preparation by December 2021. So definitely December January month is enough for the preparation according to me, if you are an average to high mark ranker. If you are below average, then you should start your preparation now itself, friends. Only then you can able to crack your gate 22 examination. So that's it for today's video, friends. I hope this video is very much helpful. I'll meet you with another important or useful video, friends. Thanks for watching my video.